everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to redeem code in Bingo Live. In order to redeem code in Bingo Live, you just need to follow the steps. So first thing first, you want to log into your Bingo Live account. When you go to the home page, click the profile from the bottom right and click on wallet. As you go to wallet, you could actually see diamonds and all that. So what next you want to do is you just want to go ahead and click on beans. So you want to go to beans. As you click on a bingo store, then you'll be able to find the ways to redeem it. So go ahead and read about all of that and you could redeem it accordingly. This is the way you could go and redeem your Bingo Live. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.